Okay, we're on page 330. Lesson 7-2, example 1. It says add or subtract as indicated. 3y over 5 plus x over 5. When you're adding fractions, you have to have a common denominator. Caitlin Clark, absent today?
She left her.
Okay.
She might come back.
Okay. Do these two have a common denominator?
Yes. I don't know.
Page 330. Everybody get there. Okay. If your denominators are the same, add your numerators. So we get 3y plus x. Okay. Next example. 7 over 2r squared minus 11 over 2r squared. Are your denominators the same? Yes. Keep that denominator. 7 minus 11 is negative 4. Can you simplify this? Yes, there's a 2 and a 4, so this simplifies into negative 2 over r squared. M over m squared minus p squared plus p over m squared minus p squared. Do these have a common denominator? I'm in the third example and nobody said, Ms. Lampkin, we can't see what you're writing. Y'all are paying me a bit of attention.
I didn't notice.
You're following along in the book. Okay, good. I appreciate that. M squared minus p squared is a common denominator. What happens with the numerators is we get m plus p. Now I want you to look. Can you simplify? Can you factor the denominator here? Yes, it factors into m minus p and m plus p. So you can actually cancel those. So the final answer here is 1 over m minus p. Next we have 4 over x squared plus 2x minus 8 plus x over x squared plus 2x minus 8. Do they have a common denominator? And the numerator is 4 plus x. Factor the denominator. X plus 4, x minus 2. And these will cancel. 1 over x minus 2. Any questions on those that have common denominators? Okay. Example 2. Example 2 says, assume the given expressions are denominators. Find the least common denominator. 5x y squared and 2x cubed y. What would you use as a denominator? Pay attention. Look at the 5 and the 2. If you got 5 and the 2 as a denominator, what are you going to have to use for a common denominator? What number? 10. Now you have x to the first and you have x to the third. You have to use the highest power of x that you have, which is x to the third. Y squared and y to the first. What power of y do you use? Y squared. Okay. That's how you choose your denominator. What if I have k minus 3 and k as my denominators? They have something in common, but actually they're not factors. This is not a factor. This is a part of an adding and subtracting problem. Your common denominator here is going to be k times k minus 3. Okay? Got to cover both bases there. Y squared minus 2y minus 8 and y squared plus 3y plus 2. What are the factors here? What are the factors of the first one? And y. Factor negative 8. How do you multiply and get negative 8? Negative 4 and positive 2 is what I need right there. What about this one? Will it factor? plus 1, and plus 2. Now, your common denominator has to have at least one of every different factor. So I got to have y minus 4, and y plus 2, and y plus 1. That's already listed, so you do not have to list it again. Okay? Y plus 2 only has to occur once because it's to the first power both times. So I just need one of those. Okay, for today, page 336, 1 through 16 all, 20 through 26 even.